everyone, welcome to the channel Knowledge 24. In this video lecture we will discuss the topic file handling and we will cover what is file, then why we need file handling and what are the different operations of file handling. So let's start with the what is file. Everything in computer is a file and we know that computer is an electronic machine which accepts only binary language. It means all the data in computer will be stored in the form of 0, 1 and 0, 1 is called bits. When we combine or add 8 bits, then it becomes a byte. So when we use these two terms as a single unit, then it becomes a file. So we simply can say that file is a sequence of bytes that is stored on a secondary storage devices. So let's write what is file. File is a sequence of bytes that stored on secondary storage devices permanently. Okay, so it's a file. Now, second question arises that why we need file handling or what is file handling? So, for performing different type of operations on file, automatically we have to use file handling, or this is called file handling. Using the program we can perform different type of operations automatically. Now why we need file handling? So for understanding this we have to take an example. So let's see the example like when we are using simple program. So simple program will be stored on a secondary storage devices, but when we are taking input or output from the console, then this is the problem. So when we close the program, then the input and output will not store on the secondary storage devices. It means when we using simple program, then data will be stored temporarily. When we close the program, all data will be lost. So this is the problem with the simple program. By this reason we are using file handling. So the first reason is for storing data or input and output permanently. This is the first reason. Now what is the second reason why we need file handling? So for this, suppose we have to store large amount of data. For example, we have to store information of 100 students. Then we are taking the input from the user and suppose we are doing the mistake on the 60th student. So what will done? Like from the starting to 60th student we are doing correctly, but at the 61st student we are doing wrong. So next time we have to start from the starting, not from 61. So this is the problem with the simple program. And now when we use file handling, then it's not a problem. Means all the data will be stored on a secondary storage devices. So it will handle automatically and very smoothly. So the second reason is for handling large amount of data. Large amount of data. It means these are the two reasons why we need file handling. The first one is for storing data permanently on the hard disk or secondary storage devices. Then second reason is for storing large amount of data, we have to use file handling. It's simple that like for simple program we can like use a small amount of data, but when we use large amount of data, then file handling is very helpful. So these are the reasons why we need file handling. Now the third one is file handling operations. Simply we can say that those work which can do manually on the file in computer will we can do with the file handling. So like for example, we can create the file manually, open the file, then reading the file, writing to the file, then performing different type of operations like moving, replacing characters, writing, etc. Then close the file. So all these operations when we do with the program or automatically, then this is called file handling. Also these are the different operations. So simply we can categorize these operations into three broad categories. Okay, so the first category is open the file. Open the file. In this we can also create the file also. Okay, then second is processing the file. Processing the file means like reading file, writing file, or adding data, deleting data, etc. And the third one is obviously close the file. So these are the three operations of file handling. Now we can summarize our lecture that what is file? File is a sequence of bytes that stores the data or occupied space on the secondary storage devices permanently. Then why we need file handling? So there are mainly two reasons. First is for storing data permanently on storage devices. Then secondly, for storing large amount of data on the secondary storage devices. And the third one is what are the operations of file handling? So opening the file, then processing the file. Processing means reading, writing, appending, etc. And the third one is close the file. So this is all about file handling. Thank you.